Have complete control of your washing with this smart washing machine from Hoover. Sit back and relax as you easily supervise your laundry and energy from your smartphone, delivering innovative technology to your home. The 10kg wash capacity and a 1400 revolutions per minute spin speed enables you to wash up to 50 shirts or 10 large bath towels in just one cycle. Doing larger amounts of washing makes life a lot easier for large families and busy households. The Hoover Wizard app allows you to control your washing machine from your Android smartphone, and with one touch it provides you with additional features such as energy monitoring and voice assist, so you can easily manage your appliance without having to be at home. kg mode is an impressive sensor which weighs your laundry during the first 4 minutes of its cycle, for the washing machine to then adapt its cycle time, water and electricity consumption to accommodate the size of the load, ensuring that your clothes are being washed in the most efficient way. Doing the laundry will no longer be a chore with this Hoover washing machine. You'll be amazed by the state-of-the-art functions designed to keep your clothes feeling soft and fresh.